And for any food snobs out there, I can eat whatever I want, however I want, whenever I want. Just saying. This has been on there about an hour now. I don't know what to do with myself today. I don't think there's anything on. I'm not interested in Avatar. There's nothing on at the cinema. Why is this news? Why do we need to know this stuff? Right? It's cold. Some cute animals died. What are we doing to ourselves by finding out this information? Thanks. Well, it's not... It's my fault for coming on here, but thanks, BBC News, for, you know, ruining my morning. I'm in Bethesda to go to the Londis here because it has a lot of like craft ales, and I'm doing my craft ale shop for Christmas. Oh, don't know where to start. This weather sucks. £18.90 I spent, and I got 5 beers. I got a Beetle Bonfire Toffee Milk Stout, a Sleigh Puffed, the purple one, which is a chocolate, hazelnut, and caramel marshmallow porter. This one sounds interesting. It's probably not going to be. Cool Mint Marshmallow Porter, Sleigh Puffed also. They had 4 different ones. I only chose 2. Actually, the 2 cheapest ones. There was a salted caramel one. I don't get that craze, so didn't buy that one. Gimme S'more, toasted marshmallow and chocolate biscuit porter. And last, run as fast as you can. Twisted Wheel gingerbread brown ale, and that's 6%. These are for Christmas, and this is the last Christmas I do this. I'm going to go to Blue Sky in Bangor now and probably get the same amount of cans. This is it after this. I'm not going to be drinking as many of these, or as often. I can't afford it. This is my last Christmas of doing this. Is there a glitch in the Matrix? How's things? Not seen you in a while. You okay?
Long time no see.
Yeah, I haven't been here for a while. I've ordered crispy beef, bean sprout noodles, and was it salt and pepper chips?
25.
Oh, salt and pepper chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, I'll have to go get cash, won't I? Crap. Right. I got a Yonder chocolate salted pretzel milk stout. That's a 7%. I got that at Blue Sky in Bangor. Then I got a rhubarb and custard sour from Vault City. A Siren Charm. It's an imperial porter with almond coffee. I might have that with my Chinese right now. I got this Nightmare of Brew York 2022. It's a gingerbread imperial milk stout. That's the fourth one I got at Blue Sky. What do we got here? A succulent Chinese meal. Noodles. Hey, this is my last weekend in my 30s, okay? So I'm treating myself a bit here. Crispy beef. Nom again. Plop. Holy Jesus. Soy sauce. There we go. I've picked my film for the evening. Batman Returns. Pause for a second. This beer, in case anyone's interested, I doubt many people care, but this Matchmaker's Slay Puffed Tiny Rebel is way mintier than I expected and is really nice. It's the 18th of December 2022. This is my last day in my 30s. I'm going shopping because I go food shopping every Sunday. And then I usually go for a carvery. This time, I usually go to Carnarvon for a carvery, but this time I'm going to look at some new places because I've been going to Carnarvon for quite a while now. I either go to the Black Boy, which isn't carvery, Sunday dinner, or the Castle, but I don't know about there at the moment. It's a bit... Maybe I've just been going there too long, so I'm going to go try and find somewhere new. Last day of my 30s. Fucking...
Good morning, welcome to Starbucks. What can I get for you today?
Can I get a large eggnog latte, please?
Yeah, that's fine. Anything else?
Just that, thanks.
Okay, thank you. I'll see you down at the next window.
Cool.
Thank you.
I was watching the new Beard Meets Food video, and it's nice to see a fellow skinny fat guy enjoying his eggnog lattes.
There we go.
Thanks very much. Bye. That woman did not like me. Maybe she saw me talking to this. I thought, what a weirdo. Let's get this over and done with. Look what I just found in the car. My Beetlejuice. Bam. Boom.
Phone or computer Bluetooth menu.
This stereo is anxiety inducing. Does not give up. It just keeps telling you and telling you to connect. And you're like, I know!
Go to phone or
I know! You only have to say it once. This is like the 5th time it's gone round since I sat in the car. It does give up for like 10 seconds.
Connect with phone
and then starts again.
Go to phone.
I know! Shut up, woman! I'm trying to! Here I am at the Bull Inn Pentraeth. I was trying to zoom in on the Bull Inn, but it's raining. Sounds like a lot of birds. 5 rating, that's a good start. Smells like food. Guinness test. That wasn't bad. Good pub. Guinness was a good, like, 6 or 7 out of 10, if I'm being honest. Turkey was a little dry. Ham was good. The gravy was great. I wouldn't go out of your way, but if you're in the area, definitely check it out. It's very kid-friendly in there if you've got kids. They've got loads of, like, like little vending machine type things. So watch out for that, because your kids are going to be like, can I have a pound? I'm going to go to a few of the St. David's horse piss charity shops that are open in Beaumaris, seeing as I'm near the area. Closed again. And you're supposed to be open. Bloody horse piss charity shops. Came to Tesco to get fuel. And I thought, screw it, I'll get like a sticky toffee pudding or something in Tesco. There is a car by the garage that's got its hazards on, which means it must have broke down there. Look at the queue it's caused. The garage is all the way over there. And we're stuck in a bottleneck. I regret coming here. I hate the fact that I have a sweet tooth. I hate the fact that that fuel light came on, which made me come here in the first place. Both horse piss charity shops were closed. What a day. That guy, look, the one in the white 4x4 type thing. That guy's like, no, I'm next, and he's just driven into the middle of the road. But now he's like, oh, this sucks. I hate the fact that I came here. Look at this, it's madness. People are just like cutting across. It's blocking traffic. People are blocking traffic everywhere out of impatience. I'm not getting involved in it. The second I can, I'm just going over there. I'm gonna go park somewhere. Yep, these queues are crazy. I'm not getting involved in this. Oh, Christ. I'll just walk to TK Maxx or something. Do a bit of window shopping. The car with the hazards on was there, and at least it's moved. There is some kind of flow to the traffic now, but either way, I've made my choice. How the hell does that happen? Snazzy. I actually saw a Garfield one there it is, on Facebook. We all hate Mondays, right? I don't know, I kind of like that one. There's a SpongeBob one. No price. I'm not buying one anyway, but very Saved by the Bell. Right, let's go find out if Tesco has calmed down yet. A couple of years ago, I used to cycle to do my shopping every Sunday until I bolted my bike to there, went to McDonald's, did some other stuff, and on my merry way back, about an hour later, walk in here, some guy was here with bolt cutters stealing my bike. I went, hey! Everyone in the window just watching it happen. You know, I grabbed the bike, he says sorry, as if he was actually sorry. I mean, come on. And he just walked off. I was like, what the so I stopped cycling it. I was like, it's not worth it. Plus I hadn't bought a new bike chain. I haven't done it since anyway. It seems a bit calmer here now. Sunday night is movie night. And I try and keep it wholesome. As it's near Christmas, and it's been a couple of years I think, I'm going to be watching Nice Guys. It's like, well there you go. It's like a lethal weapon for a new generation. Great film. So I'm going to watch that. That's the vlog. That's the last day of my 30s. See you in the next one. I want to do the helium thing, but I just don't know how to. Give me that. Please subscribe and comment. Please subscribe and comment. No. Hello, hello, hello. Now this bully don't work. Oh well. I tried.